People say the finance niche is crowded, but these types of videos are still exploding. Take this finance channel, for example. Although it started just 1 month ago, it has already gained 57,000 subscribers. One of their most popular videos, uploaded just 13 days ago, has already crossed 500,000 views. Now, think about that for a second. With an estimated RPM of around $15, that single video alone could have earned over $8.5 thousand. With 2.1 million views in the last 30 days, this channel has made over $31,000. That is insane. These creators are literally making more money than channels with millions of views, simply because they picked the right niche and the right format. And the crazy part is, this niche is not even saturated yet. There are only a handful of creators doing this the right way. Let me show you another example. This channel, Nick Invests, has gained almost 120,000 subscribers uploading similar videos. Their most popular video alone has crossed 850,000 views. But here's the real question. How are these channels dominating this niche? They are not lucky. They are doing something right. And you must understand this before making your own videos, because clarity beats copying. The answer is simple. They use simple animations, simple storytelling, and simple visuals. They use a simple character that explains the story. And that's what makes these channels different from other finance channels. They take complex ideas and break them down with simple animations and simple visuals. Now that you know exactly why channels like these keep going viral again and again, let's get into creating the videos. I'm going to show you step by step how to create channels exactly like this in the finance niche. I'll break down everything from choosing your character, writing your script, generating visuals, and animating them. Step 1. Generating the character. This part is crucial because people connect more when information is delivered by a personality instead of plain text. It makes the content easier to understand and more enjoyable to watch. So we are going to copy that exact strategy. The first thing you need is an image generation AI tool. I'm using Leonardo AI. I'll paste my prompt, which I will provide in the description, select Nano Banana from the model settings, turn off the auto prompt enhancer, and set the style to Graphic Design 2D. After that, I'll click the Generate button, and Leonardo AI will instantly generate the character for me. If you're not happy with the result, you can tweak the prompt or settings and try until you get the desired character you want. Once you find one you like, just download it. Step 2. Generating video ideas. Now that you have your character ready, it's time to move on to the next step, getting video ideas. To do that, we are going to copy video ideas from those channels and generate similar ideas based on them. Open the channel Nick Invests, go to their videos section, and copy the titles of their most popular videos. These are the videos that are already performing well, which means the ideas are proven. After copying those popular video titles, go to ChatGPT and paste all of them there. Then ask ChatGPT to suggest new video ideas based on the copied titles. This will allow ChatGPT to understand the pattern, style, and type of content that is working in that niche and generate similar ideas for you. However, there is one important thing you need to keep in mind. While copying the titles, you will also copy view counts, extra numbers, and unnecessary text that are not actually part of the title. So tell ChatGPT to ignore all view counts, numbers, and unnecessary text and only focus on the main idea of the titles. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will start generating a fresh list of video ideas with massive potential for your channel. Take your time to review them and pick the idea that you like the most. Once you have your chosen idea, you're ready to move on to step 3, which is writing the script. To do that, you can go to this GPT and ask it to write a script for you based on the idea you selected. I've pasted the link to this GPT in the description. This GPT is already trained with data from those channels, so it understands their style, structure, and format. Because of that, it will generate a script that is super engaging and closely matches the way those channels create their videos. Once ChatGPT generates the script, you can simply copy the entire script and paste it into your notepad or any text editor. From there, you can start refining it and changing it according to your own style and preference. It is important to understand that scripts written by AI are not always perfect. That is why I strongly suggest using your own creativity to improve the script. Change the wording, adjust the flow, and make it more natural so it connects better with your audience. You can add your own personality, simplify certain parts, or make it more emotional if needed. For now, I will just use a small part of this script as an example for the rest of the video so I can show you the remaining process step by step. Step 4. Voiceover. Once your script is ready, the next step is to create the voiceover. For this, we will use 11 Labs. Open 11 Labs, choose a voice that you like, paste the script over here, and then click on Generate. You can also play with the voice settings if you want, such as tone, clarity, or speed, to make the voice sound exactly the way you prefer. After the voiceover is generated, listen to it to make sure everything sounds good.
We're taught that feeling rich comes after a certain number. 6 figures, a luxury car, a house with a 2-car garage, and a lawn you don't even like mowing.
If you are not satisfied, you can change the voice or settings and generate it again. Once you are happy with the result, simply download the voiceover file. Step 5. Visuals. Now that we have the voiceover ready, it's time to move on to creating the visuals. For this step, we are going back to ChatGPT, but this time we will use a different GPT that is made specifically to generate visual prompts based on your script. All you need to do is paste your script into this GPT and click Generate. It will automatically create visual prompts for you in the same flat 2D cartoon style. The best part is it generates prompts for every single sentence in your script, so you do not have to think or write anything manually. You will have a visual prompt for each line, which means you will have all the visuals you need for your entire video. Next, we will use Whisk to generate the images. Open Whisk, click on Add Image, and upload the character image that we downloaded earlier in Step 1. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the visual prompts one by one, and paste them into Whisk. Before you click Generate, make sure your aspect ratio is set to 16:9 because we are creating this for YouTube. Then click Generate and give it a few seconds. Whisk will create the image for you. Repeat this process again and again, copying each prompt and generating each image until all of your visuals are ready. Step 6. Animations. For this, I will be using Grok AI. Open Grok AI and go to the Imagine section. From there, make sure you select Video and also set the aspect ratio to 16:9 since we are creating this for YouTube. After that, upload the images that you generated earlier using Whisk AI. Grok AI will automatically create the animation for you. This is the exact same method I used to generate all the animations you are seeing in this video. For this tutorial, I only generated a few animations for a small part of the video, just to show you the process. If you try to generate animations for a long video, you may face issues with your credits running out. If that happens, you can simply use another Gmail account and continue creating animations. Also, keep in mind that the credits for creating videos in Grok AI reset daily, so even if your credits finish today, you will be able to come back the next day and create more animations using the same Gmail account. Step 7. Editing. Don't worry, we are not doing any complex editing. Most of the work is already done because we used AI to create everything from the character to the animations. Now it's just about putting everything together. Open CapCut or any other editing software that you are comfortable with. First, import your voiceover and all the animated clips. Then drag the voiceover onto the timeline. After that, remove the extra pauses and silence from the voiceover so the pacing feels clean and natural. Once that is done, start placing the animated clips in order so they match the narration properly. Next, go to the Captions section, select your language, and click on Generate Captions. CapCut will automatically create captions for your video. After that, you can choose a caption template if you want. In my case, I am not selecting any template and I am just adjusting the text settings manually. After that, you can add background music and sound effects if you want. For now, I am only adding background music. Once everything looks good and you are happy with the final result, simply export the video. Let me quickly show you what we were able to create.
We're taught that feeling rich comes after a certain number. 6 figures, a luxury car, a house with a 2-car garage, and a lawn you don't even like mowing. But here's the strange part. Most people who look rich don't actually feel rich. Meanwhile, there's a small group of people quietly living their lives, sleeping well at night, saying no without anxiety, and they're doing it with way less money than you think. So what do they know that everyone else doesn't?
And that's it. This is the exact step-by-step process to create high RPM finance videos using simple animations that perform extremely well. There's no fancy editing involved and no complex visuals. It's all about clarity, simplicity, and smart execution. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more helpful content like this.